Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest and greatest tech gadgets and kits. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to explore: the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin 64GB developer kit. If you're into AI development or robotics, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin developer kit. This compact powerhouse comes with a whopping 64GB of RAM, making it perfect for prototyping advanced AI-powered robots and autonomous machines. Its sleek design and an array of connectors make it a developer's dream. But what really sets this kit apart is its remarkable performance. With up to 275 TOPS of AI processing power, you can tackle complex AI challenges with ease. Whether it's natural language understanding, 3D perception, or multi-sensor fusion, the Jetson AGX Orin has got you covered. Developing with the Jetson AGX Orin is a breeze. It runs on the NVIDIA AI software stack, and you'll have access to use case-specific application frameworks. For robotics, there's Isaac. For vision AI, there's DeepStream. And for conversational AI, there's Riva. These tools streamline your development process and open up a world of possibilities. Saving time and resources is crucial in AI development. That's where NVIDIA Omniverse Replicator comes in handy. It's a synthetic data generation tool that can accelerate your projects. Additionally, the NVIDIA DAO toolkit allows you to fine-tune pre-trained AI models from the NGC catalog, further enhancing your productivity. But it doesn't stop there. NVIDIA's Jetson ecosystem partners offer a wealth of additional AI and system software, developer tools, and custom software development services. Need help with cameras, sensors, carrier boards, or product design? They've got you covered. It's a vibrant ecosystem ready to support your creative endeavors. Now, here's the real kicker. The Jetson AGX Orin developer kit packs the computing capability of more than 8 Jetson AGX Xavier systems. That's an incredible leap in GPU technology. It's like having tomorrow's AI solution in your hands today. So, there you have it, the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin 64GB developer kit, a compact, powerful, and versatile tool for AI enthusiasts and developers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting in the world of AI, this kit has the potential to transform your projects. Don't miss out on the future of AI development. If you found this review helpful and informative, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting tech reviews. Have you had any experience with the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.